what if I tell you that you can run AI on your computer without internet connection, without any API key, without any subscription? How cool that will be. So guys, that is possible using Ollama. And this AI is so powerful that it will look the photo you shared and tell you what's inside that, all running on your own computer. So today, under 20 minutes in this video, I will exactly show you each and every step to follow and create this free system. And at the end of the video, it will blow your mind. So guys, let's get started. Okay, so to be honest, for the Mac and Windows, it will be exactly same. All you need to do is to just search for Ollama like that. Okay, just go to this website, exactly same procedure, and you will see on the Windows or Mac procedure is same. Automatically it will detect which operating system you are using. Okay, but when you come to Ollama first time, make sure that you just go to sign in and just create your account from here. Just continue with Google and just create your account, let's say maybe with GitHub. Okay, so that's totally up to you, and same procedure will be with the Windows as well. So let me just perform that. Let's say I open Google Chrome. I will just search for Ollama. Perfect. Just go to ollama.com. You're right here. Perfect. And once you go here, just click on sign in, and after you just go to sign in, okay, it will redirect you. It's just their marketing tricks. Okay, and just continue with Google, GitHub, whatever you want. So suppose I just continue that with GitHub. You can even go with Google. That's totally up to you. Just click on sign in button, authorize Ollama. Perfect, and boom, you will just going to create your account here. Okay, let's go ahead and perfect. Wait, let me just continue with Google. Okay, instead, a simple and straightforward process. Perfect, and boom, you can see it will just ask you to verify with your phone number. Make sure that you're the first time, so just go ahead and verify with your phone number. So now you can see that once you just put the OTP, it will redirect you here. Okay, but just go to ollama.com. Perfect here, and at the bottom you guys will going to see download Ollama button. Just click on this download Ollama, and then you will automatically be able to see various options. You can just download for the Mac version, Linux version, or Windows. So it's totally up to you. Same procedure will be on the Mac. So I will select the Windows, and I will just go ahead and click on download for Windows. Perfect, and you will going to see Ollama will start to download. It will take few minutes. Okay, so let's wait for it to get downloaded. So now guys, you can see it's downloaded. Now all you need to do is to open it. Just tap on it, and automatically you will going to notice it will just going to open. So just don't worry, automatically it will start. Okay, and you have to install it normally like you do. Okay, so let's start up and run it. Perfect, just click on install button, and you will see automatically it will work. The same thing like you install any other application for your Mac as well. Okay, so after download, just do the same thing for that, and for the Windows also just do exactly the same thing, and let's wait for it to set up. Okay, so after you just set it up, it will take you to this place. Now to be honest, throughout the time the UI may look little bit different, okay, every time, but currently the time when I'm recording it, this is how it looks. All you need to do is to click on new chat, and from the new chat you can select all the models as well. Let's say you can just go with the Qwen. Okay, so you will see various models, and I will exactly show you more of the things. Okay, so you can see whatever you want to use, you can just simply download it from here. Okay, so this is the chat where you can just chat with it. Now to be honest, just make sure that you go ahead and sign in, and also you can just go to the setting, and from here also you will be able to see the option to sign in. So as you already know that we have signed in already, so we just need to connect the web account to the local one. So I will just going to click on sign in button, and automatically it will open like this, and it will connect your web account to your desktop one. Just click on connect. Perfect. Okay, and if you just close it, automatically you can see it will configure up, and from here you can manage it and all such thing. Now just go back here, and that's how you can sign in. Okay, so now guys, as we have set up Ollama, now you will notice one thing. We have two types of icon. One is for the cloud and another one is the locally download, and this is the local download which you can use without internet connection, without API or any subscription. All you need to do is to download it. Now if you will just go ahead and scroll down, you will see a lot of models which you can download and use, from Qwen to DeepSeek and much more. Now I have created this table. You can just pause the video and see, but according to your computer requirement you have to download it. For example, let's say I go to, let's say, my computer. You can see I have 64 GB of RAM. So for me, my computer is very powerful. I can just download with 32 GB RAM models, okay, on my computer, and I can use it unlimited. I can just do a lot more things, like it's very powerful. You can just do full coding and all. But if you have limited configuration on your system, let's say you have 16 GB of RAM, 8 GB of RAM, so according to that you have to download. Otherwise what will happen is, say if you download this 32 GB RAM model on your computer, so it will going to crash. Okay, so make sure that you go ahead and download it. And to be honest, in case you don't want to download it on your computer, you can just go with the cloud version. Okay, but again Ollama will charge you very small fees. Okay, because as you can see, if you go to setting, so from here they just give you the option to upgrade to use most of the version. But to be honest, for now we will go with the free one, totally free one, which we can install and use it locally. But this is something, the notes, mini notes, you can just wait and take the screenshot, and you can see here, like 8 GB RAM, you can use Qwen 3, okay, V14B model, okay, which is very lightest and run very smoothly. Okay, so you can see for 16 GB RAM you can use Qwen 3 8B or DeepSeek 8B. You can see here, if you will just go here, you can see all this model. You can see here DeepSeek 1B. Okay, this one, if you select this particular model 1B1, so you require 16 GB of RAM to use it. Perfect. Okay, so it depends on your system requirement. And similarly we have listed all of it here. So just check your system requirement and according to that download it. So all I need to do is that, let's say I go with this one because I'm just going for the teaching purpose. So let's go, I will go with this 8 GB one Qwen 3 4B. Okay, so I will select that. So I can just go with this one Qwen 3 VL 4B. That is what it suggests, VL 4B Qwen 3. Okay, just for teaching purpose, because at last I am teaching you guys. But in my case, my requirement is very high, I can just go and download it. But for your teaching purpose, I'm just showing you with the downloading the smallest one. But make sure you download according to your requirement. Okay, so once you just select that, okay, just select and click on this download button. And once you click on this download button, this model will just go ahead and start to download for you. Okay, now another thing which I want to teach you is that, let's say in case if it doesn't work, okay, this download button, so what you can do is that I'm sharing you with one universal command. So you will see this one, Ollama pull. Okay, and then whatever model name you want to download, you can use that. For example, just copy this one. Let's say I go here, paste it, and let's say instead of something else, for example, let's say if you want to download this one, you can just copy it here and just go here and replace that with this command. Perfect. And then just copy the entire command and use it, okay, on to download it. Okay, but for me, okay, I will, let's say, going to use this model because this model is also available. If you will just going to see Qwen 3, this one, so I will just go with this one. Okay, so what you can do is that on the Mac it's very simple, on the window, on window also it's very simple. Just go to terminal and just paste this command like this if you are on the Windows. If you're on the Mac, just go and search here CMD, that is the command line here, and paste it this one and click on enter button, and it will start to download this model. You can see it's downloading it. It will take, let's say, approx, depends on the model, okay, which you have chosen. So in my case it will take 15 to 25 minutes, but of course if you're just going with the very high model to download it, then it will take more time. All you need to have is just patience and wait for it to download it, so that you can use it lifetime free, without any API or subscription, without internet or anything. Okay, so that's how the tutorial go. So I will just going to pause until it gets downloaded. Okay, so you guys can say it's downloaded. So you guys can say it's showing success. Now you can just pass this Ollama list, and you can see the model which is using. Okay, so now what you can do is that just close the Ollama and reopen it. Just search for Ollama, you will see its app. Perfect. And now your app is ready. Okay, that means you can now use it like a normal chat with this 3.5 whatever model you have downloaded it, and you can see the magic. Let's say if I write here hi, you can see it will run without an internet connection. Perfect. Okay, so that's it, and that's how basically it works. Okay, perfect. It's thinking automatically. Perfect. Okay, um, and this is what you need to do, and it will just going to list the response for you. Let me just cross it. Okay, let's go to the new chat, and here you will see all the app here, the history here. Okay, and not only that, you can just go and enable the web version to enable and get the information from your web. You can also upload some image as well. For example, let's say I can take the screenshot of, let's say, this part. Perfect. And now I can say to AI, let's go here, let's go to desktop. Sorry, let's go to the desktop here. Okay, or I guess in downloads we have the screenshot with, let me see. Okay, wait, let me just take it again. Perfect, let's open this up. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so what you can do is that you can just share this screenshot to your AI, and you can just tell it to see and view the vision. Okay, that's how basically it goes. And apart from this, you can also download it. Let's say I can just download, let's say, cat image, let's say here, and I can just right click and save the image. Let's say save the image. Okay, to, let's say, desktop. Perfect, I will save it up, and as you can see that you have this image, you can just upload it here, and you can ask it which animal it is in image. Perfect, let's wait. So here you can see it has answered you. Okay, it takes second because it works locally, so it takes and analyze it, okay, locally, and then it gives you the answer. Okay, this is a cat. Perfect. Now let's say when if you just go ahead and now this time turn off the Wi-Fi, let's say. Okay, and I can say or create a new chat, and let's say I can ask it, hey, fill the complete sentence below, like that. Okay, and I will say I am dash dash going to, okay, dinner. Let's go, click on enter button and see the magic. Now we have even internet turn off, and you can see still it's thinking locally on your computer, and it will just go and work for you. Let's have few seconds and see the magic to it. Perfect. Okay, so it will automatically analyze it, and you can see it will identify all the possible words. You can see it's already thinking I'm going to dinner. Okay, and so on. It will automatically analyze it, think it, what should be the answer, and you can see without internet connection, no API, no subscription, your AI is locally working on your computer, and you can see it's evaluating the best options that are available for you to answer. And I agree, it takes a little bit of time, but it's something free. Okay, straightforward. Let's wait. I don't want to skip any part of it. You can see it's drafting the response. Perfect. Keep it simple. I'm going to dinner. Perfect. And you can see going makes sense. Yes, you can see it's automatically thinking it whether the answer should be given to the user or not. It will analyze it, think it twice that okay, what could be another options and so on. But at the end, it will just going to give you the output. Okay, you can see, so you can see that it will just going to reply you, I'm going to dinner. That's it. Okay, so this is how you can run AI totally free on your computer using Ollama. So hope you guys enjoyed the complete tutorial. Now one more thing which I want you guys to know is that I'm going to share with you something else which will really going to help you out, more free resources. So you can just go to my website kukucourses.com here, okay, and then you can just go to courses here, and from courses you can just go ahead, click on public, and you can learn more free courses from Cloud AI, 11 Labs, Open Cloud, all free tutorials I provided you. Just go to the second page, you will going to get more free tutorials from Slack, AI agent, Anything, and automation, and much more. All you need to do simply is that, let's say you want to learn about cloud, just go to cloud here in this course, just click on start course button. It will start the complete tutorial for you, and even you can just go here and learn about cloud code as well, which is very popular, and much more. So make sure that do explore my website. And also cloud AI is getting very popular nowadays, and you want cloud AI, open cloud, paid courses, I will attach all the link below. You can also check them out, and make sure to comment below how you like the tutorial and share me your experience and doubts. I will surely going to reply you. Bye bye.